it's Adam here from SatNav Systems, and today I want to show you the upgrade that we did on this Audi Q2. This time I have the screen off here because it's not related to the navigation or MMI system or anything entertainment in the car. It's more to do with comfort, which is the heated seats, original Audi heated seats. We installed the original mats for the base and the back of the seat, all to the factory specification. So really in an upgrade like this, you can't really see anything, any changes that have been done to it. You can feel it obviously when the seat gets warm, but you can't really see it. Expect a part here really. I mean, there's more parts involved, wiring and all that, the mats and so on, but the also control modules and so on in the car have to be replaced. But the biggest difference you'll notice is this new control panel here, which has the buttons to control the heated seats now. So you can set up the level of the heating for yourself, and both driver and passenger, both sides work, and all done to the factory specification. So really from the old upgrade, you probably will notice the only change. This was the old panel in the car. It doesn't have the controls. The new one has them. So yeah, so that's one of the things we can do for you. Also, we have been asked to do auto dimming interior mirror, so that has been upgraded in the car as well. The old part, again, nothing really you can see except really in the evening when you get the cars driving behind you, will see this mirror is dimming now, and you'll be able to see the it won't be just directly in your eyes because it will just dim those headlights. The old part, again, the old mirror looked like this. You can see it's got the edges, while the new one that has no edges at all. So it's a much I mean, it's the newer type, newer look that you get. So it's a nice facelift, you could call it, in the car. Both options fitted to the factory specification, 3 years warranty. For more information, email us info@satnavsystem.com. Thank you very much.